Evam, good morning to another. As we're celebrating today as World Environment Day, how can we create an environment without polluting it? It is possible, and only the person who are living around us should change their form of life. June 5th is a day to think and promote about the protection of our nature, our mother planet, our Earth, the only living planet in the world. We all know that on this day we are conducting debates, rallies, discussions, events in the television and other social medias to send the correct messages to society. But the actual thing is that our society is not understanding the correct inner meaning of the message. This was the main consequence now we are facing. We are the humans who are destroying the God's rarest gift, the nature, by our evil activities towards the nature, by deforestation, pollutions, etc. We all know that the people who are living around us all are educated and intelligent. But this education and intelligence now has become unless for us and our society. Because we are destroying our nature still. Due to this destruction of our nature, we are losing many of the products that which we get from our nature. Am I true? Yes, there is no without exception I will say that I am true. Because due to the deforestation, pollution and many other evil activities to the nature, we are destroying our nature. Declining of today's nature is the declining of next generation's future. So don't become a legend for the declining of next people's future. It is our responsibility to protect our nature and it is the thing which we get from the God and cannot purchase with money. So protect our nature. Friends, let's hold our hand together for a better future and a better nature. Live in a cleanest and safest planet. So, me of Sandra from Botany Department of LF College, Guruvayur. Today, while we are celebrating as World Environment Day, we, first year BSc Botany students of LF College, was conducting an YouTube program based on the topic Importance, Problems and Conservation of our Environment for a Better Future. And the friends, strengthen your voice for a better nature and the evil activities or the selfish activities of the humans against it. Don't become a part of it. Be a good person with good mind and good prosperity. Pray for a good prosperity nature. So, we are conducting this YouTube channel program based on this conservation of environment by presentation of posters and many other events to make your mind good prosper. So, friends, please watch this video and support us for a good future. So, all are welcome for our video.
Sylphy. It was one of the most important plants that flourished during the Greek and Egyptian dynasties. It was a primary medicinal plant that was used for treating many diseases. In many of the European regions, coins containing this plant were discovered, indicating that it was an important plant. Legends said that it was a gift from the god Apollo. It is commonly believed to be now extinct plant.
June 5th, World Environment Day. This day reminds all of us about our perfect world, that is clean and greener.
Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed.
So, don't be greedy. It's time to grieve.
The environment is where we all live, where we all have a mutual interest. It is one thing all of us share.
Dear friends, we are reminding you all that it's not yours, not mine, it's our. So let's unitedly protect our Mother Earth who nourish you.
Globa and Dusini. Researchers from Pune and Kerala have rediscovered a rare and critically endangered plant species called Globa and Dusini from the Sikkim Himalayas after a gap of 135 years. The plant commonly known as dancing ladies or swan flowers. Globa and Dusini are characterized by white flowers and a yellowish lip. The species is restricted mainly to the Teesta River Valley region, which includes the Sikkim Himalayas and Darjeeling hill ranges. The plant usually grows in a dense colony as a lithophyte on rocky slopes in the outskirts of evergreen forest.
Galanthus or snowdrop is a small genus of approximately 20 species of bulbous perennial herbaceous plants. The plants have two linear leaves and a single small white dropping bell-shaped flower with 6 petals like tepals in 2 circles. The smaller inner petals have green markings that used as an antidote against poisons, although which specific poisons it was effective against remain unclear. Galantamine may be helpful in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease, although it is not a cure.
അട്ടപ്പാടിതൻ പുത്തൻ പട്ടുചേലയിൽ കണ്ണീരുപ്പി നിൽക്കുന്നേൻ കാൺമതെന്തു മോഹനം സ്വപ്നം സ്വപ്നമാണിത് നാളെ വെയിലും പൊടിക്കാറ്റുമെത്തിടും ചൂടിൻ കരിമ്പാറയിൽ മുഖം ചേർത്തു തളർന്നു വീണ്ടും ശുഷ്കം മാറുമായി കണ്ണീർ വറ്റി മലർന്നു കിടന്നിടും ഇവളാം തീരാദുഃഖം സാരമില്ലത് 10 നാളില്ലെങ്കിലും മാറിലാറുപോൽ സ്നേഹാർദ്രത ഒഴുകിയില്ലയോ പച്ച നിറഞ്ഞില്ലയോ നീലക്കരിമ്പിൻ കതിർപ്പൂക്കൾ ചുഴന്നില്ലയോ കുളിർക്കാറ്റിൻ്റെ താലോലത്തിൽ കിലുങ്ങിയില്ലയോ മലമുടികൾ മതം പൊട്ടി അലിഞ്ഞില്ലയോ ചത്തൊരാറ്റിലും വെള്ളം കുത്തി മറിഞ്ഞു ചിരി പൊട്ടി അടക്കാൻ വയ്യാതാകെ കുഴങ്ങിയില്ലയോ നാടൻ പൂവുകൾ വാരിക്കോരി വിരിഞ്ഞില്ലയോ മണം ചൊരിഞ്ഞില്ലയോ വെയിലിൽ തിളങ്ങിയില്ലയോ തുമ്പിച്ചിറകുനൂറായിരം ഇനിയും വരൾച്ചയാണെങ്കിലെന്തൊരിക്കൽ നീ നുകർന്നില്ലയോ വീണ്ടും പ്രേമത്തിൻ മധുസഖി
locked us down. COVID-19 definitely stolen a lot from us. However, there is some positive impact in the environment. Our Mother Earth began to heal herself. The skies got clear. A year later, water became cleaner. After decades, Himalayas were visible from Jalandhar and Sahampur. We witnessed a cleaner Ganga, Yamuna become less polluted. Same time, we also witnessed the shortage of oxygen and various negative impacts of developments. Now, as we begin to open up, we have the opportunity to rethink, rebuild, and reimagine our lives, our works, our relationship with nature. It's the time to build a greener and a brighter future for our coming generation. So, let's pledge together to preserve and protect our home, our country, our planet. So, just rethink before you act. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.